current Dogelon Mars cost generally is $0.00002555155 elon, down roughly 2.51% inside the genuinely most recent 24 hours, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Elon cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost outline. Elon's kind of intraday volume by and large stands at $1,078,656. 11 October 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and fundamentally attempt to answer these much of the time explicitly sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what in a real sense is somewhat transient cost expectation for Dogelon Mars. Essentially, is Elon a wise interest in an especially enormous manner? Dogelon Mars support and obstruction levels and so on in a truly significant manner. However, prior to plunging profound into the Elon specialized examination, essentially let us in a real sense discuss the exceptionally current economic situations, which sort of is very critical. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there sort of was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole digital currency market to $1,061,811,384,781 in an extremely significant manner. The by and large all-out exchanging volume in every way that really matters remains at $26,637,099,388 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin shares 50.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially has a strength of 16.33% in every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking, which in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,246.02 level after a decay of 1.49%, exhibiting how market examination over the last 24 hours, there in a real sense, was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,661,811,384,781, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum essentially has seen a value lessening of 0.87%, coming to $1,575.27 during the past 24 hours, which is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $207.63, following a value change of 0.96% within a similar time period in a kind of significant manner. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP especially, is somewhere near 1.93 and right now exchanging at 49 cents, fundamentally further appearance how yet prior to plunging truly profound into the Elon specialized examination, essentially let us explicitly discuss the in every way that really matters, current economic situations, which especially is very huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a really significant way. These occasions essentially demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in a truly descending bearing for present moment, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum fundamentally has seen a value decline of 0.87%, coming to $1,575.27 during the past 24 hours, which most certainly is very critical. As of now, a general in every practical sense, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $207.63, following a value change of 0.96% within a similar time period, which truly is very huge. Dogelon Mars execution. The especially day-to-day outline of Dogelon Mars truly shows that the Elon cost essentially has a genuinely descending development, with a 2.51% reduction in truly beyond 24 hours, which really is genuinely huge. The value worth of the Dogelon Mars Elon coin in every way that really matters is remaining at $0.00000025, with market capitalization $136,963,872 United States dollars, showing how Bitcoin shares 50.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a predominance of 16.33%, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. Elon cost changes 1.42% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume in a real sense is floating around $1,078,656 United States dollars, which fundamentally is very huge. Who by and large are the pioneers behind Dogelon Mars, or so they explicitly thought. Very much like basically is the situation for its certainly more noticeable and essentially more settled cousins, the pioneers behind this really specific canine coin are obscure, which truly is very huge. That by and large is to some degree a typical event for image coins, and financial backers explicitly are very much encouraged fundamentally because of genuinely an expected level of effort with semi-secret coins to essentially try not to succumb to malignant practices like carpet pulls and leave tricks. So, elon in a real sense has been available for by and large a while, making the probability of the coin being a trick moderately little, exhibiting how elon's certainly intraday volume in a real sense remains at $1,078,656, or so they for the most part thought. What truly makes Dogelon Mars remarkable, which in a real sense is very huge. Dogelon Mars fundamentally utilizes a clever sort of comic story of Dogelon, the canine giving the coin its name, as a foundation for its coin in a very large manner. Dogelon investigates the best secrets of the system and looks to recolonize the planet he once considered home with the assistance of the companions he's made during his particularly goes through the stars. Actually, a few genuinely short comics most certainly are distributed on the coin's site that sort of follow Dogelon on his undertakings to Mars, where he fundamentally meets companions and goes on experiences in a significant manner. Dogelon Mars doesn't in every way that really matters have a guide as such, yet rather fostered a dream variant through its comics, so Dogelon Mars by and large purposes a diverting kind of comic story of Dogelon, the canine giving the coin its name, as a foundation for its coin, which basically is very critical. After the recolonization of Mars in 2420, Dogelon will sort of need to battle for in every practical sense endurance against the annihilators, showing how these occasions demonstrate that the market fundamentally is going in a sort of descending heading for genuinely present moment, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value diminishing of 0.87%, coming to $1,575.27 during the past 24 hours, which in a real sense is very huge. This fantasized rendition recommends that once the coin by and large is recorded on all very significant trades, the cost of elon will especially reach Mars, or, all in all, it will exchange at a truly much kind of higher valuation, which explicitly is very huge. Notwithstanding, annihilators, by which the instability of the crypto markets could fundamentally be implied, will basically be an issue the local area will generally need to battle against, which sort of shows that market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there especially was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the extremely whole digital currency market to $1,061,811,384,781, or so they explicitly thought. Practically speaking, elon basically is an image coin without commonly much utility past getting it and holding it in a wallet like MetaMask in a really significant manner. Notwithstanding, taking into account it generally has a powerful blend of actually a few exceptionally meme